Hello guys, welcome to my channel Now Tech. Myself Pratham. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create a list in HTML programming language. So without making any delay, let me open Notepad editor. So before I start, let me clear you what is meant by a list. So placing different items in one location or area is said to be as a list. So now here I am going to create a list by applying different items. So let me open. First tag will be HTML tag, next tag will be head tag. For this I am making use of different formatting tags just like center tag, U tag and H1 tag. Now I am taking first list by name is order list. I am closing a U tag. I am closing here center tag, and at last I am closing here head tag. Here I am not closing H1 tag because I want to get the rest of the text in a bigger font. Now I am taking next tag as a title. So I am mentioning a title name as a list. I am closing a title tag. Next I am opening a body tag. So here inside this body tag, if I want to make use of an order list, then I need to take the tag called OL, that stands for order list. So what is the need, what is the purpose of using OL tag means, that is order list means. So we'll get to some numbers before the items. That numbers will not assigned by us. The system, whenever it compile, it will give the numbers before the items. So inside this OL tag, I need to take next tag, that is LI, that stands for list. So I am taking just like a course, that is BCom. I am closing LI. Next again I am taking one more LI. I am taking here BESC, closing LI. Next again I am opening LI. I am taking here BB. Now I am closing LI. So here I am considering a three list, that is BCom, BSc, BBA. Now after that I am closing a OL tag, this order list tag I am closing. Now I am closing here body tag, and finally I am closing here HTML tag. Now I am saving this thing by giving a file name as a OL.html. It's not necessary to give the name as OL, that is up to you to give the file name, but extension is .html. Now I am saving this on the desktop. Let me go to the desktop. So you are finding here a browser icon by name of the file is OL. So the moment whenever I open this browser, so you are finding a heading name as order list by underline, center and H1 font. Now here I given a title name as a list, so you are getting a list. And I assign three items, that is BCom, BSc, BBM. So if I go back to my program, so you may see here, did I pass any number before these BCom, BSc, BBA? No, 1, 2, 3, no. So system is assign this number before the items by the help of a tag called OL, that is order list. So like this we have chance to create the order list in HTML. So let's know what I will do means I will extend this program by making use of a unordered list. That will be a second list in our subject, unordered list. So what is the purpose of using unordered list means, what it will do means it will assign some symbols before the text. In order list what we find before the list numbers. So if instead of numbers, if I want to get the bullets, then what I need to do means, so instead of OL, I need to make use of a UL. So in the place of what I am doing, UL. UL stands for order list, unordered list. So I am taking here unordered list. Now I am saving this thing, same program. Now the moment whenever I make a refresh, see here, that numbers is replaced by filled circle. This is called as a filled circle, or you may call it as a disk. So like this we get before the items some bullets. So these bullets are called as a disk or filled circle. So suppose in case if I want to get some other bullet, just like a square, then you need to take the help of a attribute of ul, that is nothing but you need to be type here square. So you may check the result now what the thing you will get. So instead of that filled circle, you are getting here filled square. So how you are getting this square means by the help of the attribute called type. So I mentioned here square, so you are getting a square. Same thing if I want to get only circle, so by default you are getting filled circle. Suppose if I want to get unfilled circle, then what I need to do means I need to be make use of a attribute called type equal to circle. Then you will finding a circle before the items. So like this we have chance to get the filled circle, unfilled circle or filled square before the item. How we will get that thing is by the help of the concept called unordered list. So like this we'll have chance to take the combination of both in one program, that is order list as well as unordered list. Let's take now. Right now I concluded my UL here. Now in the same program if I want to write or if I want to get the order list, then I need to place some heading. I am taking S2, that is my second heading. Now I am here passing a tag called center next to U. Next I am giving some text here, ordered list. I am closing a U tag, even I am closing a center tag, as well as I am closing a H2 tag. Now here I am taking again OL. Now only I am taking a tag called LI. Now I am taking same thing, B com, I am closing LI. Next LI BSC, I am closing here LI again. Again I am taking LI, that is BBA, I am closing here LI. Next I am taking here, closing here OL. So now if I go back to my browser, if I make refresh, see the thing. So in a single program I am making use of a order list as well as unordered list as well as order list. So like this we will have chance to take the combination of unordered list as well as order list in a single program. So like this we will have chance to give or make use of a list in our subject. So we will go with one more list that is called as a definition list. So what is the need of using definition list means if I want to get some text in the form of a definition, then I need to make use of a concept called definition list. So in the same program I am taking now part 1, that is a definition list. So before the items I won't get any numbers or bullets, because here the resultant output you will get in the form of a definition. So term you will get, expression of the term will get in a new line. So let's we go with that. So I am taking now again H3 tag, new tag. I am applying here center tag. I am taking U tag as taken as above. So here I am placing a definition list. I am closing a U tag. I am closing H3 tag. I am closing here center tag. Now after this I am taking a tag called DR, that stands for definition list. So in this I need to take a new tag, that is DT. It stands for definition term. Term is nothing but a word. So I need to place some word here. Just like if I take example data, I am closing a DT. Now I need to open DD tag, that stands for data definition. So definition means it will say the details of that data, meaning of the data. So I am typing here, it is a collection of raw facts. I mentioned this thing. Now I am closing a DD. Next I am closing a D. Yeah. Let's we check the resultant output how we will get for this definition list. So in the same program I am taking 3 lists. So see here, our third one is a definition list. So this is the DT and this is the DD. So here we are not getting any numbers or bullets before this text. So this is how we will get the definition list in the HTML program. So now this output is a combination of 3 lists, that is unordered list, order list as well as definition list. So unordered list means you will get the bullets before the items. Order list means you will get the before the items numbers, and definition list means you will get such kind of output. So like this we'll have chance to get the output of list, different list. So that's all for today's session. Thank you guys for attending my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.